uh, built. So this time, how you see this election?
Yes, we have been having discussion with several, totally 15 opposition parties, and the object of having unity among the opposition party is to evict, to drive out this anti-party BJP party. BJP is totally anti-people party. Aru teoloke matro corruption kore. They are always for corruption only and for immoralities. Their MLAs are involved in immoralities, and even the CEM was also involved in immoralities. So this kind of administration, this kind of government, we will not be able, the people do not like.
Okay, sir.
And these are backed by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, capturing land of poor people at Ruthe Langso, at Ruthe Anglong, in Singhason area. 1,000 bighas this Himanta Biswa Sarma was trying to capture. This kind of, and then he is trying to capture everywhere, all land in Karbi Anglong. Through back door, he has been sending companies, corporates, and capturing the land of the tribal people. They are reducing the tribal people to poverty. So and then they are not given even the small government job also. Even beyond service, they are not given. The tribal people are not given. Teacher posts are not given. All government jobs are not given. So the tribal people have been denied from receiving the distribution from national wealth. We are losing the national wealth distribution. So the people are rising up against the BJP.
So in the 5 constituencies, sir, Hauraghat going to both will be file nomination or in the alliance, Hauraghat?
Hauraghat is still in alliance,
Okay.
in the system of friendly contest.
Thank you.